Hello beautiful souls, this is JuneB and welcome to the Affirmation series. Today we're going to have affirmations to help you with breakups. The way to let these affirmations work well is you can either repeat them or you can listen to them and let these affirmations wash over you with love and healing. What we will learn today is not only how to say these affirmations, also what comes up for us as we repeat these and think about how we feel while saying them. We are retraining our brains with positivity each day and allowing the negative thought patterns to take a rest and flood our system with joy and happiness. How often have you tried to start over again and failed? Repeating these affirmations at a time when you feel like you are slipping back into old patterns will allow you to take control and ground yourself in a positive outlook. So get comfortable. Relax. You can close your eyes or leave them open. The choice is up to you. And let's begin. Day 6. Affirmations for breakups. Even if my heart hurts, I am worthy of love. Even if my heart hurts, I am worthy of love. I can control my life. I can control my life. Being alone isn't the end of the world. Being alone isn't the end of the world. I can find happiness no matter what. I can find happiness no matter what. There's potential for greater things in love. There's potential for greater things in love. Eventually, my heartbreak will make me feel stronger. Eventually, my heartbreak will make me feel stronger. When the time comes, I'll open my heart. When the time comes, I'll open my heart. I am a joyful person this breakup won't stop me for long. I am a joyful person. This breakup won't stop me for long. I am a joyful person. This breakup won't stop me for long. I will move on from this. I will move on from this. This is only temporary pain. This is only temporary pain. I am releasing myself from these chains. I am releasing myself from these chains. I will be at peace with all these feelings. I will be at peace with all these feelings. It is perfectly normal to feel these things after a breakup. It is perfectly normal to feel these things after a breakup. I am letting go of that which no longer serves me. I am letting go of that which no longer serves me. I matter no matter what. I matter no matter what. I will learn to love myself unconditionally. I will learn to love myself unconditionally. I am enough. I am enough. I am only becoming stronger. I am only becoming stronger. I know I have much to offer everyone around me. I know I have much to offer everyone around me. I am excited for all the things the future will bring me. I am excited for all the things the future will bring me. I'll use this time to work on myself. I will use this time to work on myself. I will trust again. I will trust again. I am attractive. I am attractive. I am confident the universe will provide my perfect match. I am confident the universe will provide my perfect match. This chapter is a footnote in my magnificent story. This chapter is a footnote in my magnificent story. My friends and family all love me. My friends and family all love me. I am attracting amazing and healthy relationships. I am attracting only amazing and healthy relationships. I am ready to receive love again. I am ready to receive love again. I am lovingly letting go of my past regrets. I am lovingly letting go my past regrets. I am choosing to let go of my resentment. I am choosing to let go of my resentment. I am aware I have to feel to heal. I am aware I have to feel to heal. Each day gets better and better, brighter and brighter. Each day gets better and better, brighter and brighter. It is okay to remember. It is essential to move on. It is okay to remember. It is essential to move on. As you slowly let these affirmations sink in, take a deep breath and give yourself a hug, knowing that all is well in your world. Now take some time to reflect on how you feel. Use your journal and think about how any of these affirmations made you reflect and what are the ones you may need to work on. Try to think about the affirmations that brought you joy and resonated deeply with you. Also, the affirmations that triggered you. Examine the reason why. Listen to these in the background when you are working, cooking, tidying up, walking, and even driving. Allow your subconscious to take in what it needs and let go of the rest. The more you listen, the more these affirmations become a part of your thinking and therefore begin to manifest themselves in your life. And so it is. See you again for another in the series of affirmations.